The 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: power front seats, fully automatic headlights, a tonneau cover, reverse sensing system, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security, with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.